Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch Series 7 to an Android phone. While Apple Watches are primarily designed for iPhones, some users explore unofficial methods. It's important to understand that direct pairing is not officially supported, and any workarounds will offer very limited functionality. We'll discuss what you can expect and the significant limitations involved. When attempting to connect an Apple Watch to an Android device, you'll encounter significant limitations. Core features like making calls, sending messages, and using many applications will not work. Health and fitness data syncing is severely restricted, and you won't receive reliable notifications. Furthermore, accessing the App Store or performing software updates is simply not possible without an iPhone. While there isn't an official method, some users try to connect via Bluetooth, though this often yields little success. You might achieve very limited notification mirroring using certain third-party applications, but reliability is a major concern. Basic functions like telling time or using preloaded offline features could work. However, these unofficial approaches are highly unstable and not recommended for a full smartwatch experience. For the best and most complete experience, an Apple Watch Series 7 truly requires an iPhone. If you're an Android user, we highly recommend exploring smartwatches specifically designed for the Android ecosystem. There are many excellent options available that offer seamless integration and full functionality with your phone. Prioritizing official support ensures reliable performance and access to all features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.